Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your global perspective with IES Abroad, beginner guide step by step clearly. To increase your global perspective with IES Abroad, start by researching various study abroad programs they offer. Explore the different countries and cultures available through IES Abroad. Identify programs that align with your academic and career goals. Consider the duration of each program and how it fits into your academic timeline. Register for an interest session hosted by IES Abroad to gain insights into their offerings. Engage with IES Abroad alumni during these sessions to hear about their real-life experiences. Take notes on the challenges and benefits they mention. Next, visit the IES Abroad website to access resources on cultural preparation. Utilize their blogs, articles, and videos focusing on specific countries and cultures. This will help you feel more connected to the place you will be studying. Select a language course if necessary to enhance your communication skills in the host country. Reach out to academic advisors for guidance on course selection. Prepare for your application by gathering necessary documents like transcripts and letters of recommendation. Complete your application well before the deadline to ensure ample time for revisions. Consider joining online forums or social media groups where past participants share insights. Once accepted, immerse yourself in pre-departure orientation programs offered by IES Abroad. Engage with your future classmates to establish connections before arrival. Prior to departure, familiarize yourself with local customs and social etiquette of your host country. Develop a travel plan that includes destinations you want to explore during your stay. While abroad, actively seek opportunities to participate in local events and community activities. Join clubs or organizations that promote interaction with local students and residents. Challenge yourself to try new experiences, from local cuisine to traditional festivals. Document your journey through journaling or a blog to reflect on your learning. Post-return, share your experiences in discussions or workshops. Reflect on how your global perspective has evolved since your time abroad. Seek ways to stay engaged with international communities within your local area. Consider pursuing internships or volunteer opportunities linked to your international experience. Continuously educate yourself on global issues and trends to maintain your broadened perspective. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.